All right, good evening. My name is Brian. I'm one of the coaches for the Hunters Group. All right, today's session is 11:29. This is going to carry over to 11:30 Wednesday, November 30. US based ako, so it's gonna be different as far as timing goes. So just understand, my time zone is EST. I'm in Georgia, US. So yung mga nakikita niyong timing, it could be different for you if you're not around my area. If you're in the Philippines, 13 hours ahead ng Philippines. So ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung expected reports or expected times for volatility, which is 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's gonna be 9:30 p.m. PH time. Okay? Meron tayong upcoming non-farm employment change. So sa mga red folders na to, it's starting 8:15. Tinitignan ko lang yung prelim GDP for for the US. Meron din sa 10, meron din sa 1:30. So there's gonna be a lot of volatility this Wednesday, expected volatility. Just be aware, lahat ng binibigay ko dito. So let's go to disclaimers. Anything I give out on this is information based on my experience and also my understanding of the idea. It's not financial advice. Okay? If you are looking for financial advice, talk to a CPA. That's not me. Um, for this time around, we're just looking at reports for now. Also, I have had a lot of inquiries for new traders. Okay, welcome to the trading world. Okay, I'm just gonna discuss some quick ideas kung paano kayo magsisimula. First, don't rush this. Okay, it's a process. It's a learning process. Second, don't go live. Don't go with your live account until you're comfortable with your platform. I know may mga nagmamadali, may mga na-excite. They're seeing gains, they're seeing sa influencers sending out they made $1,000, 2,000, 3,000 to $1,000,000 in how many ever time frame in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year. That's a lot of money na hindi naman natin they're not doing anything except opening a trade and then waiting, right? So that's good. Pero you have to understand anything in succession or anything that's been success went through a process of learning, went through a process of failures, and went through a process, period. My mentoring, yes, may mga mentoring available. We do have mentoring sa Hunters Group. What's the mentoring for? Kung pwede mo naman i-google lahat. Well, if you commit to us, we'll commit to you. That's how it is with anything. Sa school, right? If you want to be a doctor, you have to pay the tuition and you have to get certified and all that stuff. It's the same sa mga public groups. We're just a lot less cost pagdating sa gantong ginagawa natin against institutions where I went with an institutional learning, so that I'm offering our services. Now, sa mga bago, learn terminologies, please. Why are we looking at different time frames? Why are we looking at different coins, different markets? Anong pagkakaiba ng Forex and all that? We're gonna go through that little by little sa mga videos. I'm gonna add some information starting today and I'm just gonna mix it in before the ideas para may mga natututo. So first, alamin nyo kung anong klaseng trader kayo. Do you want to trade intraday, like minutes lang tapos na, hours lang tapos na? Personally, I prefer to be an intraday trader, meaning in and out within the day. Okay? If it goes forward after a day, that's swing trading. Okay? Long-term investment, meron din. So, paano nagpa-play ang time frame doon? Ang nakikita nyo sa harap nyo is candlesticks. Okay? This is a form of how price is presented sa chart. And of course, that can be changed. Depende sa kung anong gusto nyo. So, ito, sinasabi lang ng mga candlesticks is kung saan nang galing yung price. Ito yung highest na to. Itong big movement na to, ang highest na to right now is 21,473.7. Okay? And then the lowest is 15,462.6. This is for Bitcoin. Right? That's candlesticks. Terminology-wise, that's it. This is a daily time frame. Anong difference ng daily time frame sa mga lower time frames? Sa lower time frames, mas marami kayong data na makikita. Mas marami kayong prices na makikita. Madali na yung daily time frame. Now, ano ang connection nito for your trading purpose? The higher the time frame, the longer the trade idea will take. Meaning kung ine-expect nyo na pumunta ang Bitcoin from current price na 16,894 for Bitcoin to reach 21,200, if it does that, gaano katagal kayo maghihintay? If you're seeing this in a daily time frame na ganyan yung range niya, that's movement of $4,000 for Bitcoin. Okay? And kung gusto niya indicator kung paano natin titignan yan, ang daily ATR, meaning average true range na Bitcoin, is 665. If Bitcoin moves 665 per day, if it goes up 665 per day, that would mean around 8 days. Okay? Around 8 days, it can reach 21,000. Pero of course, we know that there's volatility in the markets. That's what we're going to take advantage of. So let's go into lower time frame ideas for Bitcoin. Okay, currently, Bitcoin is still in the range. Personally, wala akong confidence in buying Bitcoin. I really love to see shorting sa Bitcoin. With its current movement, I think I've discussed this. We have traps set for Bitcoin. This right here at a 2-hour time frame, 17,295. Okay, that's an idea for a trap. 17,295. The stop loss is 17,614 or 17,615. That would be a trade that I'm willing to take, pero I want to take it in confirmation. Okay, right now volatile market, especially at since it's November, ending of December, and opening of December. Did I say ending ng December? So ending ng November, opening ng December. Ano ibig sabihin nun? There's gonna be less trading happening. There's mga traders, lalo na sa US, to exit trades that either they're in profit for or they're at a loss. Definitely, kapag nasa loss sila, they're gonna exit that. Why? Because tax season. They can write off tax losses sa taxes pagdating sa trading. If they're an institution, mas malaki yung losses, mas malaki yung write-off. If they're retail, maximum is 3,000. So it depends. If I'm willing to take a trade short at 17,295, okay, I have to have a stop loss. So somewhere around this 17,615 or 17,621, tawag ko dyan wiggle room. I have a math kung paano ko ginagawa yung wiggle room. Medyo tamad lang ako, so I don't do the math. There's a lot of things that I automated at this point ng ginagawa ko. Okay? And then, if I'm willing to buy this, and this has to be confirmation trade. Kasi medyo mahina yung dating ng area na to para sa akin. 15,818.6. What I want Bitcoin to do at this point is if pupunta siya dito, I want it to go in hot. Meaning, mabilis na mabilis, break this area, break this the area. May mga buying areas dyan sa lower time frame. So I want Bitcoin to break those areas before arriving here really, really fast. Kapag ginawa niyo yun, there's gonna be imbalance of selling. Pero mauubos yun na mabilis if it arrives to this area by going through this area first. Okay? Next idea is Ethereum, daily time frame. Ethereum again is in a range. Okay? Wala pa ako nakikita na clear sign ng reversal sa ngayon sa nangyaring drop na to. Sa nangyaring drop na to, where I'm interested in buying, ako nandyan. Where I'm interested in buying has not changed, 1126. 11:26, 2-hour time frame. In a lower time frame, we can find ideas here. Sa mentoring group, I believe I gave out an idea or I confirmed an idea sa 1-hour time frame. Apparently, that held. Sa totoo lang, ang sinabi ko, this is a very aggressive trade. Pero this held. Okay? 11.50. Ang pinamababa nitong price drop na to is 11.50.25. My section has not changed. If I want to change all of this, kailangan ko makakita ng break in formation or in structure. Okay? I would like to see Ethereum break some more resistances before I start taking this trade. If ibagsak lang na Ethereum pabalik ang price, this is gonna be confirmation trade. It can't be limit trade at this time. I wish I can say that there's confidence in buying, pero in a ranging market, you just buy low and you sell high. Or you sell high and you buy low. Okay, next is BNB. BNB has shown strength in buying. Okay? This is so beautiful ng ginagawa ng BNB. It confirmed buying below 250. Number one. Number two. Umabot sa number two. Usually I say number one. It reversed and it breached at least above this. Okay? That's a good sign kasi ang ginagawa ni Bitcoin ni BNB from this area is to drop. Right? Meaning there's a lot of sellers. Paano ko nasasabing ganun? Kasi in a trade, there's always one seller and one buyer. If the price drops, then that means there's more sellers than the buyers. And that's what BNB did. Until ni-reverse niya lahat to, inubos niya yung sellers. Ibig sabihin, mas marami ng buyers dyan. Ang kailangan ko na lang makita ngayon is a close above 311.93. That would give me more confidence in buying this. For now, it's safe to say na BNB can drop. BNB can drop, and people are saying na nagpa-fluctuate ang market. There's a reason for that. You would be amazed kapag inisip nyo kung malalaman nyo kung ano yung reason doon. It's so simple. Ng mga nag-aaral sa Pilipinas, grade school, tinuturo nila yun. If my teacher told me that demand and supply will make me money, siguro mas nakinig ako na mas matindi doon. Pero now, ano ang trade ideas for BNB? 2-hour time frame, it could turn into a swing trade. 2-hour time frame is really a high time frame. Personal trades ko intraday is 15 minutes, pero I find more comfort in using 2-hour time frames right now dahil sa volatility. There's more strength, number one, and nakakaiwas ako sa mga aggressive trades na hindi ko kailangan tinitignan yung monitor ko if I go into a trade. So the first area for BNB, if I want to buy, is 267.57. Okay, around this area, a stop loss of 263.41 or somewhere around that. Again, not financial advice. This is an idea that I'm seeing na kapag bumalik dito si BNB, it's gonna bounce. I'm not saying that it's gonna reverse and completely go up. Nakakahuli kami ng mga ganong ideas, pero we're technical analysis traders and we have plans. Okay? When you do a trade, you have to have a plan, you have to have an entry, and you have to have an exit. So we're gonna take a 1-to-1, a 2-to-1, or a 3-to-1, up to a 5-to-1 in this trade. If you want to hold further, there's a way to protect profits without having to be anxious. So mga kabado dyan, okay, mag-alala, mahilig ako sa kape. So this thing can be managed. Emotions can be managed sa trading. You just have to know how. Hindi uminom ng kape. Although mahilig ako sa kape. Let's see. So BNB, if I'm willing to short this, now I'm looking at a 1-hour time frame kasi shorting, wala akong nakikita na ganong strength. Personally, I have two ideas for shorting, which is the first one at 306.92. Stop loss at around 309. The second one is 312.73. Stop loss of 315. This area though, this area is now the area to break. Okay? If BNB has a lot of buying potential, that area is gonna get sliced through. Why? BNB kasi sideways siya sa weekly. It breached its downtrend. Although hindi siya nag-close sa taas nito, it still breached and it went pretty deep. So I like that. Right now in a weekly time frame, it's sideways. So it has the potential to go with an uptrend. If it does that, then BNB could possibly reverse and potentially go up higher. There's a lot of money right now waiting outside of the market. So any sign of reversal will trigger some happiness in buying. So we'll see. We'll see. Just again, just an idea. All right. If this helps, thank you very much for watching. If this helps, please do subscribe, do like. Starting a channel, pero it's right now it's a hobby. Pero if it turns into something better, then good. See the description below kung sino pwedeng kontakin sa mentoring groups namin. Thank you very much. I do hope that this helps as far as guidance go and green trades for you.